before I start, we all want to show something to our viewers who are watching. So we are going to turn around right now. We are all here for Virat Kohli. What is the message from here at Chinnaswamy Stadium, Sakshi? And all these people who have come here with their white jerseys. This is specially been printed by this person. आप ये बनाया खुद से?
जी मैंने खुद से बनाया ये टी शर्ट कुछ 150 यूनिट्स बनाया था ये ऑल सोल्ड आउट दिस इज द लास्ट टी शर्ट दैट आई हैव लेफ्ट व्हिच आई हैव जस्ट स्पेसिफिकली लेफ्ट फॉर दिस इंटरव्यू आफ्टर दैट इट विल बी आल्सो सोल्ड आउट
See that he's left this shirt for this interview and he has made 150 out of this. Sir, you all have come here for Kohli. He has retired from Test. Is it disappointing? Sad? Are you sad about
It's a disappointing, but still it's a tribute for Kohli. That's why we have come in whites today, not in red.
What do you like so much about Kohli?
His commitment towards the fan base and towards the team. That is what we like about the Kohli.
What is your favorite part about Kohli? What do you remember?
Yeah, same. About same.
Why do you like him? Same. You should have something to say.
No, nothing.
Huh? Yes, sir. You have also come here to watch. You're not wearing the jersey.
Yeah, I have to buy.
You have to
he
buy?
told there's only one last left.
So we have one person here.
Yeah.
Hi, Sunna. You have last jersey. He has to buy.
This won't fit me.
I am doing marketing also over here.
Yeah, we just love Kohli because of his gameplay and his commitment towards the game. That's it.
And he's retiring. Did you guys find it as a surprise?
No, it's not surprising, but it's disappointing a lot. Yeah.
You wanted him to play more,
Yeah, we wanted him to play more like Dhoni.
like Dhoni.
Yeah.
But he's still playing IPL. What is your thought about
IPL,
today's
but
match?
he's retiring in Test, so it's just disappointing. We can't see him in Test matches.
Sir, today you have come to watch Kohli. How much will hit?
I don't expect him from him. Don't expect more from him. Just I wanted to see him
You want
play.
to see him?
Yeah.
How much ever he hits?
Yeah. I don't expect him to hit more. 30, 40 will be more happy for me. I just
Hits
want
or
to
no?
see him play.
So he's just come to see him play. How much ever he hits doesn't matter. Let me just turn around and show you the queue and the electrifying atmosphere that is over here. And all these people have come here for Kohli.
One second, sir. We'll just let them out and
You have come for Kohli, but you're wearing Chennai jersey. Chennai fan.
just get back,
We are
guys,
supporting
guys,
Kohli.
get back.
Kohli's retirement, yes.
He's a Chennai fan supporting Kohli. Then you have a whole lot of people over here. Ma'am, you've come here for Kohli.
Yeah, obviously, yeah.
What do you like about him?
I mean, everything. Look at all the t-shirts. I mean, we just came for him today.
Did you want him to retire?
Honestly, no, but it's his wish, his opinion. Yeah, we should all respect it.
But you feel happy that you come to watch him after his retirement?
Exactly. Today's a very special day.
Okay. Your thoughts on Kohli? Why you like him?
He's the game of legend since a bit emotional after retiring. So I think he'll serve for nation in ODIs.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
So you heard it here. This is the entire line which goes till the end for Kohli. There is a fan who shouted out. Let's speak to him. You've come for Kohli or RCB?
I've come for RCB and Kohli too.
And for Kohli. How sad it is that Kohli is retiring.
It's a bit sad because Test is the true form of cricket which I consider. But him going is something which I can't accept it. But I think he's giving he's giving a pass to the youngsters to take over in his place. So I think there's never going to be another legend called Virat Kohli. So it's always going to be
Virat on your shirt. Yeah, Virat. See here, another Virat fan. There's never going to be another Virat, it seems.
And today is the first match I'm seeing in Chinnaswamy.
Your first match is
Yeah. And the main reason for me to come here was Virat Kohli's retirement.
Ah.
And it's very special for me today, basically.
I have kids also. Why is Virat your favorite?
Because his playing style is very different.
What is so different?
The shot,
सबको बैट से बॉल मारते हैं. What is so different about Kohli?
उसकी खेलने की स्टाइल अलग है. वो अलग तरीके से शॉट्स मारता है.
अलग तरीके से. आज आप किसके लिए आए हो?
दोनों आरसीबी के लिए और विराट के लिए.
तो विराट कितना मारेगा आज?
100.
100 मारेगा. There are expectations that he might hit 100. You've come here for Kohli or RCB?
Kohli.
For Kohli. Where's your jersey?
I don't know.
You don't know. All right. So what is it that makes you a fan of Kohli?
Because I know he is a great player and I love to watch him playing.
Love to watch him play. You're also here for Kohli?
Yeah,
Or RCB? Not for Kohli.
We are for Kohli. I am for Kohli.
You're for Kohli. What do you like about Kohli?
We want to pay homage to him because he recently retired from Test match. So I think we want to pay our homage to him.
दुख हुआ टेस्ट से
बहुत ज़्यादा दुख हुआ.
बहुत ज्यादा दुख हुआ. तो यहाँ अपील करेंगे कि वापस आ जाओ. 9,000 रन मारे कुछ.
I think 700 runs are pending. I think he should make 10,000 and then retire.
Then retire.
Yes.
Kohli, if you are watching this, we all want you to finish 10,000 runs.
Yes, definitely he should consider and he should make 700 more runs and then retire from.
700 run or Kohli, if you finish that and then you
He'll
retire.
be making in 2 series itself. Just 2 more series, he'll be making 700 runs.
2 more series is what it is. 2 series और खेल लेंगे Kohli, then he can retire is what is it. So you can get a sense, Sakshi, the entire atmosphere is electric. Kohli bandidira, RCB bandidira.
Kohli and RCB.
Both we have come for both. Show your shirt first. What is written behind?
Virat, 18.
See, that is what is the spirit here, Sakshi. Chinnaswamy Stadium is lit up. This is one of his favorite stadium. He's been playing for RCB for 18 years now, and the crowd over here is growing minute by minute for RCB. RCB Kohli.
RCB, RCB.
RCB,
Yes.
no Kohli.
Kohli also.
Kohli also.
Yeah.
Sir, you have written play bold. Kohli fan or RCB?
Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli.
Virat Kohli fan. How much will he score today?
I think so. 70 to 80.
70 to 80.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it, huh?
Not like I am into the interview.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chalo, 70 to 80 is what they believe that he will score. So Sakshi, this is how electrifying here. I am trying to get them to the bus, but nobody wants to leave the line over there. If they leave the line, they might go behind in the ticket. So that is why they are all standing in the queue and they are getting an entry right now because the match is going to start in another 1 hour, 1.5 hours. So everyone is in the line. But that is the atmosphere from Chinnaswamy. All are excited to see Kohli play after he announced his retirement. And today is going to be a big match, not just for RCB but for Kohli also. And also, after suspension, the IPL is back. So it's another bigger occasion. Kids also over here. So how sad did you feel that Kohli announced his retirement from Test?
I thought he'll break the records and he'll play for more time, and he'll break Sachin's records. But it's sad. He could have played, but it's his wish.
But don't you think Kohli, who plays so aggressively, who shows so much aggression, his retirement was so tanda? Do you think? His retirement was so tanda. He should have played and retired on the ground.
Yes, he have aged 36 years and he cannot. He's old.
Okay, but
And
why
he
do you
cannot-
like Kohli or this
Yes,
one?
I like.
You
Kohli.
all are wearing Kohli for this thing, huh? Show
Yes.
me the jersey. Show people your jersey. Everyone is wearing number 18 over here. So come here. You're here for RCB or Kohli then?
Both.
Both. So this time Isala Cup namde.
Yes. Cup namde.
And if we win, it will be for whom? For Kohli or for Bengaluru?
For both.
Huh? So after his number is also 18. This is kya bolte, his favorite number is 18. This is the 18th season. They'll win.
Yeah.
Why will you think we are on number 1? That is why we'll win. We were on number 1 before also.
Because this is 18th season.
That is why we'll win.
This is our lucky season.
This is lucky since you have come with all this kid. How difficult was it to bring them here?
It is nothing difficult when it comes to cricket because we are all born, and when we started born and we were in childhood, we were used to play cricket. We used to go out of village and everything to play our cricket and everything. Now we are so lucky, at least these guys, they have a very good cricket playground here. So it is nothing for us difficult to get them here. Let them enjoy
Sir,
everything.
you said that you used to play old days like this. So whose fan are you? Kohli fan or somebody else's?
18,
18. Huh?
Kohli.
Kohli. Are you sad he is
RCB
retired?
is Kohli. Kohli is Bangalore. Bangalore is RCB.
RCB is Kohli, Kohli is Bangalore, Bangalore is RCB. That is the statement. Can I have you also over here? You all have come to watch the match.
Yeah, we have come to watch
For Kohli, you have come or for RCB?
Yeah, for Kohli. Of course, we came for Kohli.
But he announced it. He's such an aggressive player. He taught us how aggression and calmness can work together. But his retirement was so soft and calm. Did you think that's the way to
Yeah,
retire?
time has changed. When it was in 2016-17, we know how Kohli was, and he has changed now. Time changes everyone. And yeah, his statement has disappointed us, but what happens is for the best, God's plan.
You're a Kohli fan or an RCB fan?
I'm a Kohli fan.
So you come only for Kohli here. RCB jeete hare chalega.
Works either way.
Works either way for you. So what is it that you like?
honest, I am actually a MSD fan.
Acha.
But for this match, I'm just here for Kohli.
Yeah, don't you think this is such a nice thing Dhoni fans are also Kohli fans are Dhoni fans. ऐसा कोई कंपटीशन ही नहीं है दोनों पर.
कंपटीशन दोनों में तो बिल्कुल नहीं है पर उनके फैंस में बहुत है.
फैंस में बहुत है.
हाँ, ट्रोलिंग, कंटिन्यूस
So how do
ट्रोलिंग.
you make yourself believe that I'm Dhoni or I'm Kohli?
See, both are great players, you know. You cannot compare both of them. They are excellent in their individual fields.
Okay.
So for me, Kohli is also a player. Like I look up to him, and Dhoni, I look up to him. So yeah, I'm here because of him.
Now you won't see him in test matches. कैसा लगा?
It's sad. I don't suddenly. He told that he's retiring, but before he told that he want to score 500 in London, and then suddenly he's like, he just puts out a post there that I'll not be performing. And before that, we had a shock that Rohit Sharma also retired, and then Virat also, and it was.
अच्छा, if Kohli is watching, आप दोनों को कुछ बोलना हो, क्या बोलोगे?
Please come back to the test.
दोनों साथ में आ जाओ, साथ में आ जाओ.
Please come back to the test. We need you there.
And he should finish 10,000.
Yeah,
also.
we need to watch him finishing 10,000 runs.
Kohli, please watch Newsline and make sure you finish 10,000 runs, or these fans will be disappointed. I have another group over here. Let me just, sir, Nivela, what have you come for? RCB or Kohli you've come for?
Kohli.
Huh?
Two.
Kohli, huh?
हाँ.
Pakka. Are you not sad that he's retiring?
ಬೇಜಾರಾಗತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ
ಬೇಜಾರಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಬೇಜಾರಿದ್ದೀವಿ
ಅಯ್ಯೋ,
ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
So these guys have come from Shimoga to watch Kohli over here. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ನಿಮ್ದು? ಇದು. Go stand in the line, then they all have to go stand in the line. So these are all Kohli fans over here. They have come from different parts of Bengaluru and Karnataka. They have all here come to watch Kohli. Some of them have come to watch RCB, but like me, most of them wearing the white jersey have only come to see the legend play after announcing his retirement. So people have started walking inside, the gates have opened, the match is going to start. The crowd here is diminishing, but the crowd inside the stadium for Kohli is getting electrifying.